Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how some creators seem to hit the viral jackpot every single time? What if I told you that the secret sauce to creating viral videos isn't just creativity, it's AI? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create viral videos, from finding trending topics to editing like a pro and optimizing for maximum reach. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these tips will take your content to the next level. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about how AI can supercharge your content creation process. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. For starters, AI can analyze millions of data points to tell you what people are watching, liking, and sharing right now. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also help you create scripts, design thumbnails, and even compose music and sound effects for your videos. For example, tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video ideas or write entire scripts in minutes. Canva's AI can generate eye-catching thumbnails, and platforms like AIVA can create custom music tracks tailored to your video's mood. The best part: these tools are super easy to use, even if you're not a tech wizard. But remember, AI is here to enhance your creativity, not replace it. So, always add your personal touch to make your content stand out. Now that you know how powerful AI can be, let's talk about finding your viral niche. The key to going viral is creating content that people are already searching for. Start by using tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to identify trending topics and keywords in your niche. For example, if you're a tech reviewer, you might discover that AI gadgets or smart home devices are trending right now. But here's the trick: don't just copy what's already out there. Use AI to analyze popular videos in your niche and then add your unique twist. Maybe it's a fresh perspective, a hilarious take, or an in-depth tutorial that no one else has done. And if you really want to level up, try tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic. These AI-powered platforms give you deeper insights into what's working in your niche and help you optimize your content for maximum reach. Next up, let's talk about editing. Editing can make or break your video, but with AI, it's easier than ever to create professional-looking content. Tools like CapCut and InShot use AI to automatically add transitions, text overlays, and even music to your videos. They can also analyze your footage and suggest improvements, like optimizing the length and pacing for better engagement. For example, if your video feels too slow, AI can help you trim unnecessary parts and keep your viewers hooked. And if you want to add some visual flair, AI can generate custom graphics and animations in just a few clicks. Here's a quick tip: always preview your edits and make adjustments to ensure your video reflects your unique style. AI is powerful, but your creativity is what will make your content truly unforgettable. Now that your video is ready, it's time to optimize it for viral reach. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that are engaging, shareable, and relevant to viewers. Start by using AI to optimize your title, description, and tags for search engines. Tools like ChatGPT or TubeBuddy can suggest keywords that will help your video get discovered. Next, focus on your thumbnail. AI tools like Canva or Adobe Firefly can help you design thumbnails that grab attention. And don't forget to A/B test different designs to see what works best. Finally, use YouTube Studio's analytics to track your video's performance. AI can help you identify opportunities for improvement, like adjusting the length, adding more engaging hooks, or tweaking your call to action. Remember, going viral isn't just about luck, it's about strategy. And with AI, you've got a powerful ally on your side. All right, you've got the tools, the tips, and the techniques. Now it's time to put them into action. Experiment with different AI tools and techniques to see what works best for your channel. Track your results, analyze your performance, and use the data to refine your strategy. And don't forget, AI is just a tool. Your creativity, authenticity, and passion are what will truly set your content apart. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating, and that's it. You're now equipped with the ultimate guide to creating viral videos using AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to grow your channel. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first AI tool you're going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.